Controlling dust from demolition waste transport trucks is a total headache, but covering loads with tarps is the easiest way to keep that dust from flying everywhere. So, first off, always have a good tarp that fits snug over your load, no loose ends flapping around, because that just makes dust worse. Make sure you secure the tarp tightly with bungee cords or heavy-duty straps so it doesn't come off when you hit higher speeds or windier spots. If your tarp gets torn or worn out, swap it out right away because damaged tarps won't hold up and dust will escape. Wetting down the load before covering it can help keep the dust stuck to the debris instead of floating free. Try to load your truck so nothing sticks out too much. It's easier to cover everything fully that way. You don't want to overload either, because it makes it harder to secure the tarp properly and increases dust risk. Also, check local laws about covering loads, because some places actually fine you if you don't cover your demolition waste properly. Lastly, if you're moving the truck through dusty or dry areas, keep it slow and steady to avoid stirring up dust clouds. One of the biggest issues with demolition waste transport trucks is not using tarps at all, which causes major dust pollution and fines. Fix that by always having a tarp ready and making covering your load a habit. Another common mistake is using old or ripped tarps that don't seal well, so invest in good quality tarps and replace them when needed. Lastly, people sometimes don't secure tarps tight enough, so the wind catches them and dust escapes. Make sure to use strong straps and double-check everything before driving off. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle demolition waste safely and follow all the rules. It also helps contractors get reliable work by connecting them with people who really need their skills for projects big and small.